Okay. Very strong-minded people. I love strong-minded people. I try to appoint people who's better than me because they're the experts. My job is an easy one, although I've got lots to do, because I need to create the enabling environment for them. Take away the troubles and the challenges and the hurdles and assist them to make their budget better, their working environment better, talk to clients, talk to the minister, do a lot of the sweeping work, which I love doing. But they're all experts. The veterinary services program under immense pressure at the moment.
Yeah.
With
Foot and mouth.
foot and mouth and African swine fever that's heavy in the Western Cape at the moment. We've got avian influenza running around
Again.
but only low pathogenic strains. And then also we've got the rabies, but it's always picking up and popping out somewhere at the moment with seals. So yeah, it's very. I can't tell you what will be on my desk tomorrow.
I can believe that.
Cannot tell you. I've got a vague idea, and Jane Isaacs, our previous HOD, said to us once in a management meeting, "Your diary is only a proposed pathway for tomorrow." A
Love it.
proposed pathway, which means it can change overnight.